Meaning of debenture.
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 Debenture. A debenture is a type of debt instrument that represents money borrowed by a company or government entity. The issuing company promises to repay the debt at a fixed time with interest or other terms specified in the agreement. Debentures are usually unsecured, meaning they are not backed by collateral and rely on the issuer's creditworthiness. They can be sold to individual investors or held by institutional investors. Debentures are commonly used by companies to raise capital for expansion or other purposes. They are also used by governments to finance infrastructure projects and public services.